one right here?
Yeah, this one. So we can right there.
Get that
The
mount
cruise
on.
control.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You got it, You got a level 16 wrench.
What is it?
You got a level 16 wrench.
1116.
Yeah, for that inside bolt, or the equivalent to the metric.
What about, let's go ahead and remove this one first.
Okay.
Yeah. And let's see. That's a 17 too, right?
Well,
Let's see.
no, I think it's bigger than a 17. Cause I had a 17, I think.
We should pick down.
Oh yeah, it's probably on there. Yeah, it's on that pulley.
Okay.
Let me pick this up. Because we're done down here, right?
Yeah,
We're done. So pretty much.
yeah. It's just gonna, you don't have to get that with camshaft off.
The what?
A camshaft.
Oh, you talking about the crank?
Yeah, the crank.
The pulley?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we put these almost in here.
Yeah, yeah. What does he want? He want this one to come off here?
Yeah, it's got to come off so you can get right to the app.
Okay, well, I got a smile limit. Okay.
Right there too. Yeah, it'll come out. That's different.
Is that the right size?
Yeah, it is for this side.
Yeah, but you got it.
But it'll hold the other side.
Oh yeah, hey, and I got a wrench where you can pull it from the other side.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a wrench. See if you hold it from the back end here. You don't want a wrench on it?
Can do it with a wrench.
Yeah.
Yeah, all I need to do is hold it.
That's a 17, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but 14 too big. I mean, no, that's too. You need one bigger than that.
Okay, what you need? 17 then. Let's see what we got here. 17 here.
Okay. Put that on. It's too little. Next side. Oh, that'll work. That'll work. That'll work.
Oh, let's see that. Yeah, got my offsets. Let's see where they work. Yeah, I put that bolt on there the other day too. That's a metric. I switched it from a
You
standard.
switched it from the boat. I knew that was
Yeah.
the boat I put in there.
Yeah. I switched it from it made everything metric.
Is that,
See now
what
that
is it, a 14?
Those screw holes.
Yeah.
they can be 12s.
We need to find one.
That might be. It look like it, but it might be just a tad big. But I think. Tad big, yeah. Different thread.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Different thread.
Yeah, see them bolts I have, they at the house. I took them, and when I took everything off the alternator, them parts, put it in the box, and I didn't think to bring them, but I know probably.
It'll hold it. It'll hold it.
Well, we want to make sure we don't drop
See.
it, because you should, cause I could go and
Don't drop it.
and you know the Lowe's right quick and get, you know, right down the street they got 12s, and in the standard, we want them, make sure.
As long as that stay in it.
Sure, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Get it out.
Please, yeah. About right there.
Right here.
Yes.
Let's use the bottom. What do you use this bracket for? What goes on this bracket?
That's where the air compressor. I mean, not the air compressor, but you know the AC.
Going to be going in a little bit further than that, then.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't want to mess up the thread.
No, just long enough. to
But it
hold
can go right. Yeah. It's good. Yeah.
Right. It's time. So are you gonna need this tank?
Yeah. Okay. We're not gonna use that.
Okay.
Hey. ¿Dónde andas? Afuera. No eres de tierra caliente. Tú. Eres de los maricas.
Right. So we're gonna get that picker. You're gonna need to. So you can push pick. We can push the pick up there, right?
That's yours. I mean, I don't. Yeah. You just bought it. That's brand new, right?
Yeah. I ain't never. Yeah, I've had it since last August.
Right.
You gotta let these down.
Oh no. Oh, okay. Yeah, I gotta let that down.
Thank you.
Yeah, see this right here. This is these tracks right here. Right there. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. The problem is though, you gotta do that.
Gotta bag it up and line them up. Gotta
Yeah.
raise it up, man.
Yeah.
That's what I don't like.
You gonna use it.
You raise it up, I'll put it in. I don't know.
Yeah, you got.
Yep. Yep.
Now, you right quick, you sure you don't, wait a minute. I gotta lock this right here, that's what's okay. Now, you can put it down, it's gonna rain right now. Just take the pressure off of it. Here's a pool boat. From the metal. Huh? Oh, yeah. So I got the bunch for that.
They golden like that?
Yeah, this is the extra scrub boat you take out when you want it.
Well, you don't have to. Well, I guess you don't have to. Like mine's sticking for that.
Try not to do that. Go higher. Because it will mess up the cylinder. There we go.
That's high enough for my.
Oh, this high enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna go out quicker.
All right, hey, let me ask you one thing here. What I want to ask you sure you don't want to take off this hood? Hood, because I can get
Let's try it first.
Okay.